Are you looking for a seat ride? Are you looking for a car like this? Alusain Motors got you covered. Alusain has all types of vehicles, imported and new. Check the description to learn more about Alusain. So, what's my first impression about this car? Well, let me talk about what I can see. So, first thing I saw was a curtain airbag. There's one on the steering wheel. There's another on the passenger side near the dashboard. Well, there's a screen here. Okay, I'm seeing Pioneer. It's a touch screen, probably. I'm seeing a lot of AC going on. We have an automatic transmission vehicle, the handbrake. Well, we have leather on the steering wheel, which looks really premium. Same case for here. Also, there's quite space in this car. The seats are leather. Well, they feel really comfy. And then we have something ladies will truly love. Avira. Don't forget to subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button, then go to the bell icon and then hit all notifications so that you can receive more videos like this and many others. So let's get into the spec sheet of this beast. The Toyota Land Cruiser V8 packs a 5.7 liter V8 engine with a 6-speed auto with an overdrive transmission, and it particularly has a horsepower rating of 381 horsepower at 5,600 revolutions per minute and a torque of roughly 544 Newton meters at 3,600 revolutions per minute. So this SUV has a fuel capacity of around 93 liters on the lower side, and it has an added advantage that it's a 4-wheel drive vehicle. The interior is just amazing. It's built for comfort with its amazing leather seats that have some stretchable pouches that you can put your nitty-gritties during your travel. So not forgetting the words Land Cruiser that are slapped right onto the seats. So this car is an 8-seater with the left seat being backed up to allow more passengers at the back of the car much easily. Laying it down is as easy as pushing the car seat down and pulling the backrest up. Simple as that. So the boot of this car is not as big, since when there are passengers, you find that the boot is not as big, but in a snap you can create more space by pushing the seats to the side, using levers at the bottom of the back seats, and even further by laying down the middle seats. Just pull the lever and in an instant we have space in the car. So this car is a beast and its space is just spectacular. Talk of it being muscular and beastly. So when it comes to comfort, oh my goodness, this car has front air conditioning with dual zone automatic, so that it gives you that fresh air conditioning into your car depending on the temperature and what you need. Also, it has rear air conditioning that has separate controls from the rest of the air conditioning system, so allowing the driver and the front passenger to have heated cushions, heated seat back. It allows also heated front seats. So this car is just built for luxury and comfort. With the shape of the car, you expect a lot of less air resistance, and also the weight of the car makes it more stable. Do you find yourself screaming internally when you see a bump ahead, when you see potholes on your road? Well, guess what? The Land Cruiser Toyota V8 doesn't have trouble with that. The awesome clearance and the large tires. Don't expect to scream internally when you see bumps or you see potholes, because I am sure this car will handle it awesomely without any struggle or without you having to worry that the bottom of the car will be scrapped, because this car is well raised and the tires are huge, allowing you to have a lot of balance, and a lot of the COG is at the bottom, so you expect a lot of stability from this car. With its awesome exterior, well built, it's a beautiful car, full of luxury, full of premium materials. It will definitely give you that top level luxury that you're looking for. So it has front fog lights or the driving lights, and also heated mirrors, so that you do not have any problem with mist when it's cold. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the like button also if you like this video. If you didn't like it, hit the dislike button. See you in the next video. Ciao.